We're going to make it all the way today, I'm confident. Alright, so this is the start. The first couple of Ks, just a fire trail like this. This is the first obstacle. Alright, we got through that one pretty good. Alright, so this is second obstacle. That's the way, brother. Faster, this is the third one. That's the way, mate. So much easier when you remember the spots. Number 4. We use a bit of single trail here. That's number 5. So this is obstacle number 6. Alright, so I'm pretty sure the next one's going to be Toolbox Hill. The famous toolbox. I'm just going to have a go up the left here and just see how we go. Woo! Not happy. Couldn't find a smooth way up. We're close now. Alright. That's it, buddy. Good job, brother. Not over. Gotta get back. Starting to warm up now. So this is the very first one we come to in the morning. We figured out a way up here. Got to take a corner here. Took us 3 attempts. Weren't always happy with everything we did, but on this one we got to Toolbox Hill, struggled like hell just to find a good line. We wanted to have a line where we could just ride up and not have to bugger around. We probably found one, but it just was taking a little bit of bravery to commit to the double step up, and maybe next time. Gotta love Australia.